Did you know some enslaved people weren't just forced to work, but to breed? After the U.S. banned the transatlantic slave trade in 1808, slaveholders needed more bodies, so they turned to forced reproduction. They chose the strongest men and youngest women, not to free them, but to breed them, like livestock. Babies born from this system were enslaved at birth. Families were destroyed. Consent was never given. This wasn't just slavery, it was forced reproduction, a crime history rarely talks about, but must never forget.
Been through worse, so get out my way.
I was born by the river.
Let the voices build your strength. Let's go high.
And I'm alive.